video is just going to be a quick walkthrough of changing filters in the dehumidifier. So these are the ones up top. It takes 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. And this little tray slides in and out to access the filters. You need to make sure that the airflow direction is going this way, and that the date is on there. When you're putting them in, it helps to sort of rest them here while you're loading them, and that just makes it a lot easier when you carry the filters up. And you could also do this off the Skyjack if you're not comfortable using the step ladder. You also want to make sure that you turn the unit off before changing those filters, because if there's suction on the filters, it'll be very difficult to pull them out. So just switch the unit off. I didn't apply a lockout tag because I wasn't actually accessing the equipment or touching anything. I was just changing the filters. For the rest of the filters, maybe easier to walk around this way. There is 3 over here that need to get changed. And so on these, the airflow direction is this way. And all these filters should be changed monthly, with the exception of this one here, which is the burner. And so like there it says change every 30 days, but this is designed to be up on a roof where it's getting more fresh air, and because we get so much dust from the ground, I find this filter here should get changed every 2 weeks, because it's the one that does the burner air, and we want to make sure that we keep it clean. We just changed the wheel in this thing, and we want to make sure we look after it. The wheel cost about $15,000, and if it gets plugged up, that's a lot of money wasted. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.